to my channel. If you are new to my channel, my name is Rhonda, better known as Hot Mess Mama MD. And on today's video, it's another edition of, is it a dupe or just a waste of money? What we're going to be testing out, trying out, and reviewing is the new Makeup Revolution foundation stick. Is it a dupe for the Hourglass Vanish stick, which retails for $46? This is only $9. We're going to find out. If you guys haven't noticed already, my makeup is on. I don't wake up like this, I promise. So I want you guys to pause the video right now because you guys know I get really excited over this kind of stuff of y'all guessing what side is what side. Yes, you guys haven't noticed, I do have a couple of friends that decided to join because I was trying some vitamin C stuff out. Didn't obviously work out, kind of clogged things, but pause the video. Guess, what side is the Hourglass? What side is the Makeup Revolution? You guys, this is pretty impressive. So if you're interested to see the whole application process, how it works throughout the day, all that good stuff, make sure to stay tuned. But as always, just want you guys to know the video that is my birthday video, that is still up because I have a giveaway going on. I totally lost my train of thought and couldn't get my words together. But I do still have a giveaway going on. It's nothing huge, but it's a little something something. I filmed it for my birthday giveaway. It's a couple different palettes as well as a little surprise in there. So make sure to go over, check that video out. I'll have it linked down in the description box below for you guys. It's very, very easy. As always, like, comment how to get a hold of you, subscribe, stay subscribed. Boom, you're entered into the giveaway. So as always, let's go ahead and get into, is it a dupe or just a waste of money? I'm very dramatic. Anyways, let's get started. So what we're going to do is half of my face with the Makeup Revolution, the other half with the Hourglass Vanish Stick Foundation. And I thought about at first just going ahead and just only using these two products. And then I thought that's not how I typically use my Hourglass. So what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to apply the foundation as I would if I was just using the Hourglass foundation. I feel like this will be the best way for me to see if my little cocktail of foundations that I typically use works out. So, as you guys know or may not know if you are new to my channel, I typically use the Hourglass Vanish Stick and I mix it with the LA Girl foundation. This is the Pro Matte HD foundation. So what I do is I typically apply, and I'm just going to go ahead and show you guys. We are going to go ahead and take my Hourglass foundation in the color Sand. We're going to apply sand on half of my face, which I try to match the Revolution sticks to the sand, and I don't think I did a good job, so we'll see. So I'm just going to go ahead, apply it. This could be a really funny looking day. I don't know. Because like I said, I tried my best to match it. Why do I have earrings in? I need to take my earrings out. Okay, earrings are out. Where's my hair clippy? Can you guys tell I wasn't ready. I wasn't ready. I thought I was ready, I wasn't ready, and all my clips are gone. Okay, so this half, of course, has the Hourglass in the shade Sand. And over here, I did pick up F9 and F10. And obviously, I don't have the lid on. Y'all, I'm a mess today. Let's see right off the bat. I think this top one is going to be the closest to my sand. I guess I'm going to go ahead and go in with the F10. The F10. Jesus, take the wheel. Okay, let's go ahead and apply the same amount. I want to do the exact same lines, all that stuff. Ooh, this actually matches my skin better, to be honest with you guys. This will be interesting. It definitely feels the same. It definitely feels the same applying it as the Hourglass. I like how it feels a lot. And I forgot to get my neck, so we'll put 3 here. Man, this F10 matches so much better than the Vanish stick. Let's go back and add some to the... I mean, honestly, it really does. And I didn't match myself with the Hourglass, Sephora did. Okay, so next what I do is I go in with my LA Girl Pro Matte. Now this is in the shade Medium Beige. I apply it right to my Morphe E6 brush, and we're going to go ahead and do that with, I'm going to go ahead and blend it in on this side of my face and then wipe off the brush and go to the other side. What I do is I apply it with my brush and then I go in with a beauty sponge. Wow, I mean, and I'm a little red through here, guys, because I was out a few hours yesterday with my children, so parts of me down here will look red because obviously I didn't do a good job with the sunscreen. Oopsie daisy. Okay, so there is half of it blended in. Okay, so I did try out another new product, so I've got a couple friends that are joining us. Rude. Weren't invited, but whatever. Vitamin C and me are just, I guess it's just going to be something I can't use, vitamin C products. Okay, so let's go ahead, we'll leave it like so. I don't get too close underneath my eyes, so you guys are going to see that looks a little funny. So I'm going to go ahead and clean this off, and then we are going to do one pump again with the LA Girl on this side and blend it in. Honestly, I feel like it matches a little better. But I thought, you know, this would be the best way to really test out this foundation is try it in a cocktail. I'm trying to cover this red, guys. So I've got a friend that showed up on this side as well as this side, and it seems to be covering them up very well. And honestly, this F10, I feel like the F10, once again, God forbid I remember to put my phone on silent. I feel like this F10 does match my skin tone a bit better than the Hourglass side. I do feel like the Hourglass, or I mean, I do feel like the Makeup Revolution side blended out just as easy. Doing one side, and then I'm going to flip it and do the other. Let me see if I can zoom you guys in a little bit more so you guys can see how this works. I mean, honestly, overall, I thought there would be a big difference in two different shades. I don't see it, so let me zoom you guys in. So, as I've told you guys, I don't have like the fanciest of camera, but this is the Hourglass side, and this is the Makeup Revolution side, and I was really nervous that it was going to be very obvious, that the sand shade was, you know, more of a yellowy undertone, where the F10 seemed to be more of like, I don't know, let's see, peachy undertone maybe? No, F10 says it has golden undertones, F9 says it has peach undertones. So I think overall that this F10 is very comparable when it comes to the shade Sand and Hourglass, which has me really, really excited because, y'all, this was only $9. $9 compared to the $46 Hourglass. I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to jump off. I'm going to do the rest of my makeup, then I'll be right back to go over prices, where you can pick this up, and then of course we will be doing check-ins throughout the day. So, be right back with the rest of my face. First video of the day. Can't talk. Okay, so I'm back with the rest of my face on. As always, I will have everything linked down below for y'all. You guys, I've been filming some other videos, and I have to say, I'm pretty impressed. I've had this on for a few hours. It's now afternoon actually, and I haven't touched up or anything like that. Like I said, I filmed another video and I have lipstick on my teeth. Go me. But you guys, I honestly thought that there was going to be a huge difference and I was going to see a difference when I had what looked like two different shades on my face. I don't see that. So let me go over with you guys real quick. I went on Ulta's website, I went on Makeup Revolution's website. There is a total of 18 shades of this foundation. It does retail for a total of $9. And a little bit about what the claims of this foundation is it says the foundation just got faster, available in multiple shades and a range of undertones. Makeup Revolution's Fast Base Stick Foundation. It quickly perfects contours and highlights your complexion. So what they're saying is, you know, if you want to highlight your face with a lighter shade, if you want to contour with a darker shade, and then as well as use the correct shade that matches your skin tone, you can do that as well. Again, $9 for each one. On the actual site of Ulta, it does not say whether or not this is supposed to be full coverage or medium coverage, but for me personally, you know, the Hourglass Vanish Stick is supposed to be a full coverage type of foundation. And of course, as you guys know, I do mix it with my LA Girl Pro Matte HD foundation. So all in all, I'm getting a full coverage, whether I use the Hourglass or what have you. I do put that LA Girl on top of it. And it gave me the look, guys, the look that I typically, again, we're going to ignore my friend because that's the Hourglass side, that is the Makeup Revolution side, got a friend over here. But you guys, it gave me the look that I typically get with just using the LA Girl and the Hourglass, which, as you guys know, this is a $46 foundation. This is like an $8 foundation. So now, you guys, if I can get this look with just these two drugstore products, do you know how excited I am and how excited my bank account is? Of course, I'm going to be doing a check-in, hopefully two, my final check-in, and then one throughout the day for you guys if I can remember, because let's be honest, I'm a scatterbrain. But that's what I do plan on doing for you guys. But like I said, it's been on for a few hours. It's holding up well. It seems to be the same kind of finish as the Hourglass, where I feel like it's more of a, I don't even know, like normal satiny type of, you know, a little bit of dewiness. But again, since I mix it with this Pro Matte, I don't feel like you get like the full effect of it. But it's just looking at it, the way it feels, everything, it's literally like my Hourglass cocktail. So I'm really excited about it. So like I said, I'm going to go throughout my day and do some check-ins for you guys, and that'll be that. So until the next check-in. Hey guys, this is going to be the first check-in on the foundation. Okay, so I'm filming, or I'm in my beauty room, and I don't have the best lighting. I'm standing like right in front of a window, so I'm hoping the lighting is actually better than I'm thinking. This is the Makeup Revolution side. This is the Hourglass side. This is both of them together. Normally the light is like beaming in, and it's not right now, but y'all, it has been like 5 or 6 hours so far. I've changed and all that good stuff. You guys, I'm loving this. I am flipping loving this. So of course the next check-in that I do will be the final check-in, and as of right now, this is a dupe. This is a total, in my personal opinion, you guys know I'm not a makeup artist, this is a dupe, and I'm so excited about it because I am saving so much money. I'm kind of like, ooh, maybe I should return the other two I have for backup. Anyways, until the final check-in. Okay guys, so this is going to be the final check-in of the day. It is like 7:30, 8 o'clock at night. So this foundation, or both foundations, have been on for quite a while. As you guys can tell, this was the Makeup Revolution side. This is the Hourglass Vanish Stick side. I have asked my daughter Haley, I have asked my husband, nobody can tell either side apart, as well as I did go to Sephora today because I did end up returning my Hourglass Vanish Sticks, my backups, and guys, they didn't even notice a difference. So I'm telling you guys, this wears great, longevity's there, it didn't like blotch out on my skin or anything like that. I got a hair right there, or anything like that. The finishes look almost identical, y'all. I mean, I'm shiny on this side just where I'm shiny on this side, so it wore well. I am just very, very happy with this. Like I said, I did use the shade F10, and that seemed to match my Vanish Stick sand shade. So anyways, this is a great dupe. It's definitely a dupe. I don't know if like somewhere down the road somewhere they are made from the exact same company. I don't know the ingredients or anything like that to compare, but as of for right now and wearing it all day long, I highly recommend the Makeup Revolution, it's totally a dupe. So anyways, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Bye. Okay guys, so that was it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and until next time, my friends, as always, I hope you have a wonderful, beautiful, and blessed day. Kisses from Kentucky. Bye.